Hi everyone! Hi Jendra, hi Devon, and hi Kay. Wah, today you meet Miss Anita again, but we cannot meet each other via Zoom, and you just can meet me from this video. And do you know when you meet Miss Anita, it means you're gonna have, yes, painting and craft. So, last week we have talked about our project for this term, yeah, and you have written all of the things that you need to make the project, right? So, do you still keep the note of the things that you need to use to make the project? That's good if you still keep that. Okay, so in this video, Miss Anita will show you some techniques or some ways to make abstract painting. Okay, do you still remember what abstract painting is? Yes, abstract painting is like this. And this one is the example of the project that we will make. And this one also, yeah, this is also the example of the project that we will make. Why do we need to learn how to make the abstract painting? Yeah, as you have seen in the previous picture, yeah, the picture of the project that we will make, we need to use abstract painting for the background of our project. Okay, so these are some ways or some techniques that you can use to make the abstract painting. You can choose one or maybe two of the techniques in doing the abstract painting. Yeah, so let's check this out. Now this one is the blowing technique. So you need to use paint and water. After that, you also need to use a straw and a brush. After that, you also need to use a canvas or a piece of paper. So after you put the colors on the canvas or paper, you can blow the color. This is the second technique. So for this technique, you can make bubbles. Yeah, you can mix the paint and the dish soap. After that, you can add water, and then you mix all of them. And to make the bubbles, you can blow it with the straw, and you will get the bubbles. After you get the bubbles, you can take your canvas or your paper and then put it on the canvas or the paper. You can mix the colors, so you can make more than one color. So your painting will be colorful. And this one is the third technique. You just need to put some colors around the canvas. After that, you can use your brush to swipe all of the colors, and then the colors will be mixed. And this one is the next technique. For this technique, you can use sponge. Do you have any sponge in your house? Okay, if you have sponge, you can use that, and then you can mix the paint with water first, and then you can take some of the paint with the sponge, and then you can tap on your canvas or your paper. It will be better for the project if you use light colors or bright colors. But if you like dark color, yeah, it's okay, you can use that also. Just be as creative as you are. Okay, friends? And this is the last technique that I show you. This is swiping technique. So you can use any colors you like and use your brush to make it. So, which technique will you use for your project? Okay, so you can choose one or two techniques of the technique that I have shown you, or maybe if you have found some other ways to make the abstract painting, please do. Yeah, you can use that also to make the abstract painting. Okay, so abstract painting is free. Yeah, you can use any technique to make that painting, to make that kind of painting. Okay, if you have decided which technique that you will use, you can take a note. Yeah, you can take your notebook and then write what you need to make the abstract painting. For example, I choose the blowing technique. For the blowing technique, I need a straw. So I will write on my notebook a straw. After that, I will write paint, and then a canvas, this one. So you don't need to worry because Eduhouse will provide the canvas and then paint and the brush. Okay, so I will repeat. If I choose the blowing technique, I will use a straw and then paint, a canvas, after that water, and that's all. So I can use those things to make the abstract painting by using the blowing technique. Okay, so decide the technique that you're gonna use to make the abstract painting for your project. Okay, when we meet again, I will ask you which technique that you will use. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you next time. Bye bye.